In today's video, I'm going to teach you simple way. Manually send a Zoom link to WhatsApp. If you need to get people into a meeting quickly, this simple workflow will save you time and avoid confusion. First, open the Zoom app and either schedule a meeting or start one right away. Scheduling is great if the meeting is later. It lets you set the time, topic, and options ahead of time. If your meeting is already scheduled, head to the Meetings section in Zoom to see your list of upcoming sessions. That's where all the details for each meeting are stored, ready for you to share. Next, copy the invite information. On desktop, in the Meetings view, click the meeting you want to share. You'll see options like Copy Invitation and Copy Invite Link. Copy Invite Link gives you the direct join URL only, which is quick and tidy. Copy Invitation includes the full text with the join link, plus any extra details like the meeting ID and password, if those are enabled for that meeting. Choose the one that fits what you want to send. If you're sharing with people who might need the full context, the full invitation is often best. If you just want a simple, one-tap join experience, the link alone is perfect. Now, open WhatsApp. Navigate to the individual chat or group where you want to post the invite. Think about where it's most appropriate to share. A private chat for a one-on-one session, or a group if the meeting is for a team. It's a good practice to share meeting links only with people who need them, and to keep Zoom's waiting room or passcode on if you want extra control over who joins. Paste the info into the message field. On a phone, long press in the text box and tap Paste. On a computer, you can use your keyboard shortcut to paste. Before you hit send, consider adding a short line above the link, like the meeting start time and any quick notes participants should know. That small bit of context helps everyone find the link later and join without questions. When you're ready, press send. That's all there is to it. You've manually shared your Zoom meeting to WhatsApp. The recipient will see the join link, and if you copied the full invitation, they'll also get the meeting ID and password. This straightforward method works reliably, keeps you in control of what you share, and helps your participants join smoothly every time.